how to fix lag in Blender with Decimate Modifier. Here I have a lot of faces, and this laptop struggles a lot when I'm playing with this, when I'm working with this object. The laptop is just struggling a lot. There's a lot of faces. If you want to, it's just lagging a lot, but if you want to fix it, it's super simple. Just go to add modifier, click on add modifier, and then to decimate, and here you can collapse or subdivide on subdivide. So now let's actually look how many faces are. Yep, so that's a lot. So what you can do, you can click on subdivide, or you can click on ratio, and here you can turn this down. But now, okay, Blender not responding. So yeah, just drag this, just drag the ratio to drag it down, the ratio bar, this blue bar, and you'll see that a lot of face count will just collapse, will just get removed. Okay, let me try again. Now it's loading. Okay, because we're trying to remove face count. You can always and you can also go to subdivide. Unsubdivide is that another way as well. Okay, you can always turn this ratio down, and now I have less faces.